this is Andrew Turner. I told you I'd give you an update on my 3-day after liberation. Sorry. Uh, it's totally unbelievable. I first want to thank the staff at the hospital, at the hotel I was at. They were really caring, considerate, understanding. Um, right after the surgery, they told me just sit at the edge of the bed because I would start feeling things immediately. And I was thinking in my mind, yeah, right. Um, so I did it. Well, as soon as my feet hit the ground, I don't know if you watched my first video, but the right side of my body I told you was dead and always cold. Well, as soon as my right foot hit the ground, it was burning. I looked down and it was pink. So I noticed I had blood flow down there. Uh, and my knee is starting to bend now, my right knee. And with my right arm, I used I used to only be able to lift it this high. Now I can go above my head, up, down, no problem. It's just truly remarkable. This is only 3 days and I've got a long way to go. I'm very grateful for everyone who brought me this information. And for those of you out there who don't think you had the money or whatever, do whatever it takes. You don't need to sit there in pain like you are. Sorry about that. But there's no excuse. Our government sucks. We all know that. But the one thing, out of all the videos I did watch on this, I never seen where on a video where they had to go up through the groin. I had 2 blood clots in the jugular vein. They had went all the way from my groin area all the way up into my jugular veins. But so far everything is working out great. It's not nearly what I expected. It's a lot better. I just want to thank everybody who who brought this information to me. And I'd like to really thank my church for funding me for this trip. This is a new life for me. Something I can start to enjoy and actually have a real smile on my face. And thank you all. I'll keep you updated, as much as I can. And God bless you all and love you all very much. Thank you.